Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about network topology. So let's discuss what is mean by network topology. So first we have to understand physical topology. Physical topology refers to the way in which network is laid out physically. It is called a physical topology. One or more device connect to a link or two or more links form a topology. The topology of the network is the geometric representation of the relationship of all the links and the linking device, usually called nodes to one another. There are four basic topology possible: mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. So simply we can call what is mean by topology means arrangements of nodes in the network is called topology. These are the types of topology: mesh topology, star topology, tree topology, bus topology, and ring topology. So let's discuss one by one what is mean by mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. The term dedicated means that the link carries a traffic only between two devices it connect. It is called mesh topology. What are the advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology means? In this diagram we can see every devices is connected to every other devices. Okay, so in here we have a five devices is connected individually. What are the dedicated links? Robustness, privacy, easy to identify the fault. What are the disadvantage means? A lot of cabling. It has a high cost, input output ports, difficult to move. These are the disadvantages of mesh topology. To overcome the disadvantage of mesh topology, we move on hub. That is star topology. In the main important thing in star topology is the hub. Hub is nothing but a centralized controller. In star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to a central controller, usually called a hub. The devices are not directly linked to one another. Unlike a mesh topology, a star topology does not allow direct traffic between devices. The controller offers an exchange. If one devices want to send data to another, it sends data to the controller, which then relays the data to other connected devices. What are the advantages and disadvantages of star topology? One input output port per device, little cabling, easy to install, robustness, and easy to identify the fault. What is the disadvantage? Single point of failure, more cabling still required. Next, we go for the bus topology. We have a backbone. Here we have a backbone. From the backbone, the point is established. The point is called a tap. Here, this is a drop line. A bus topology is a multi-point. One long cable acts as the backbone to the link and all the devices in the network. Nodes are connected to the bus cable by drop lines and taps. What are the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology means? Little cabling, easy to install, difficult to modify, difficult to isolate fault, difficult to identify the fault, break in the bus cable, stop all the transmission. Next important topology is the ring topology. Here our nodes is arranged in the form of link. That's why it is called a ring topology. Each device has a dedicated point-to-point connection with only sorry each device has a dedicated point-to-point connection with only the two devices on either side of it. A signal is passed along the ring of in one direction from the device to device until it reaches its destination. To add or delete the device requires changing only two connections. What is the advantage and disadvantage of ring topology? Easy to install and easy to identify the fault. The disadvantages is delay in large ring, break in the ring, stop all transmission. Like bus topology, if bus backbone is failure, all the transmission is failed. Now it comes for assessment. Dear students, which network topology require a central controller or hub? Example, answer is the star topology. Next one is the dash topology requires multi-point connection. Bus topology requires multi-point connections. Uh, I hope you understand the concept of network topology and the types of network topology. Okay, so thank you, students. Have a great day. We will meet on next session. Thank you all.